Go to any wall in your house right now and look at whatever is plugged into it. Your phone charger, your toaster, your TV. Pull the plug out and look closely at the flat metal prongs. There they are, two identical tiny round holes stamped near the very tips of the metal. They are so small, so completely ordinary, that you've probably looked at them 10,000 times and never actually seen them. Why are they there? Did the manufacturer run out of metal? Are they there to let the electricity breathe? Or is there a hidden mechanical secret locked inside your walls that you've been using your entire life without realizing it? Let's uncover the truth right here on What Exactly Is. To understand these holes, we have to look inside the outlet itself. If you think an outlet is just an open socket waiting for metal to slide in, think again. It is a highly engineered mechanical trap. When you push a plug into a North American outlet, you aren't just making electrical contact. You are engaging a physical locking system. Inside the outlet are small, spring-loaded metal bumps or hooks. The moment your plug slides all the way in, those internal bumps snap directly into the tiny holes on your prongs. Think of it exactly like the crisp click of a seatbelt fastening into place. That mechanical lock is the only reason your heavy laptop charger doesn't just fall out of the wall onto the floor under its own weight. It's a simple trick of geometry keeping your house powered. But this design isn't just about convenience. It's a solution to an incredibly dangerous emotional pain point: electrical fires. Back in the early days of electricity, plugs were smooth, experimental, and loose. If a plug slipped halfway out of the wall, the exposed metal prongs would start to arc, creating microscopic sparks, massive heat, and eventually catastrophic house fires. Those tiny holes fixed everything. By giving the outlet's internal springs a physical hole to grip, the plug is forced into a binary state. It is either securely all the way in or safely all the way out. It completely eliminates the dangerous halfway hang that used to burn houses down. Now, here is the insider's secret that reveals just how clever this design truly is. If you travel to Europe, the UK, or Australia, you will notice their plugs are completely smooth. They don't have holes. Why? Because their outlets are deeply recessed into the wall to keep them stable. But in North America, we stuck with flat, flush walls. So engineers kept the holes. And here's the manufacturing secret. Punching those holes out saves a tiny fraction of a gram of brass per plug. When you stamp out hundreds of millions of plugs a year, that microscopic hole saves the tech industry millions of dollars in raw material costs. On top of that, electricians use those exact holes to hook in specialized testing gear, allowing them to clip onto a live circuit safely without slipping off the smooth metal. There is no modern law or electrical code that says a plug must have these holes. In fact, some cheap dollar store electronics leave them out entirely. But the good manufacturers keep them because tradition, safety, and physics prove they work. It is the ultimate proof that the objects we ignore the most are often the ones doing the heaviest lifting. A century of engineering tweaks and fire prevention is entirely contained in a couple of millimeter-wide cutouts on your charger. Next time you plug your phone in and feel that satisfying, snug resistance, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the drywall. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the smallest details. If there is a mundane mystery in your house you want unpacked, drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep questioning the ordinary. See you next time on What Exactly Is.